All right, y'all. This is a Senco staple gun. I bought this a few years back, and I need it for this cage I'm building. Bought it a year ago for $2.99. So I bought it from the Goodwill in Lawrence. So I'm gonna see if I can get it back working, or if it does work. I never tested it, never needed it. So I can get up in here and lubricate the slide, because I done tried to move it, and she wasn't happy about it. And get all that lubricated up in there. By the way, this is Lucas penetrating oil, and they've been pretty good so far. So, all right, got her oiled up, got her on the air hose. Let's see what she'll do. Yep, look at there. This is a vintage air gun. It's quiet too. That's pretty cool right there. So there we go, y'all. Back to building pins. And if y'all want one, just message me, or yeah, just message me or comment on this video. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.